So what we've done is we've taken headlines that were widely shared on the internet that were fake, and we've taken them out of the internet and put them in the real world on these publications that we made up. And what we're trying to do is to sort of make people realize how absurd a lot of this is. We're trying to make people differentiate real news from fake news. There's a sort of swarm of this fake information right now, especially in election season in the US. And what it's doing is it's hurting real information, it's hurting real journalism.